All right, y'all, today we have this black Sea Ray boat in that we're doing a full gel coat restoration on, and we're going to coat it with Starke Yacht Care's liquid crack and ceramic coating. And we're going to do a test spot comparing Starke Yacht Care's sanding disc 800 to Mirka's 800 sanding disc. And as you see, it's both the same, it's transparent, but look at this, when I hold it straight, this one falls back. So this one is stiffer. So let's go ahead and try it out side by side and see which one we like best, and let's see which one lasts longer. Okay, most of y'all know we just got this Mirka sander in literally like in the last few days. So this is the first boat that we're working on with the sander, and we got our interface pad. You wanna make sure you have an interface pad on it. So let's do the Mirka first. I still like Mirka. So this is our first side by side, so I have not even done it before. Forgot you gotta turn it on. Not used to this kind of luxury. And just give it light, even pressure. I'm gonna do 2 passes. So now I'm gonna come back down. No, I'm gonna do 3, I'm a liar. I'm really curious to know which one works better. Let me get down here, because I never did get down there good enough, the very bottom of that black. Okay. I really love how this stops. Oh my gosh, y'all, it's so nice. All right, now, let's take this off. Now let's put this on. Oh, forgot you can't do that. Okay. Now we are going to do right here beside of it. And there's nice. I'm gonna leave a gap right here so we know that that's where we stop. All right, this is 2 passes on the bottom. I'm gonna have to come back down on the very bottom, get the edge of that black like I did on that right side. All right, and that's the 3rd pass. I'm gonna get this very bottom though. This bottom part's pretty wide. All right, and on the corners like that, you want to be careful, because usually on the corners of boats, it's sprayed a lot thinner, you know, like up here too. So I'm going to be careful on that on both sides. I was careful with it. That still has grit on it. This still has some grit on it. This could do it. They could both do another section, so let's do another section just to see. I'm really looking for, like you said, which one lasts longer and which one has the tightest pattern, which I'm already going to have a tight pattern from the start just because this is a good sander. All right, let's do this one. And I like how if you give this some pressure, it's not going to stop and like start skipping up like it would if you're using a regular DA polisher. Or even like cheaper sandpaper. A lot of y'all remember our sunlight days. That paper did not last no time. It was crazy. It was just as expensive. And we will have our answer. Okay. Let's go ahead. Wiping dust off. This is Starke. And this is Mirka. All right, let's wipe the start and see. Now, like I said, I didn't focus too much on this corner because I'm not like doing the actual restore right now. I'm just comparing the papers, so just ignore this corner. It's gonna have to be sanded again. All right, come look up close. Don't see no pigtails. Nothing. You don't either. Okay. I see Mirka. And with Mirka, ignore that middle piece too. That's just gashes in the gel coat. All right. You get down and see. Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. Because when I put when I did the start side, it produced a lot more dust, which means it was cutting a lot faster and a lot more effectively. Now up here, I can see just some areas, not the corner again, like I said, I can see some areas like down here where it didn't cut good enough at all. But over here, it cut really good. And the crazy thing is this still has, I mean, feel it. It still has plenty of grit left. I mean, you could do, I would say probably another 2 sections with this. Cause yeah, usually you can only do 2 sections. With Mirka is still good, like I done said. But this feels like, this feels like 1500 grit, 1200, 1500 grit, feel it. So yeah, y'all, and from the beginning, when I brought these pieces of sanding disc out and I held it up, this was the one to limp. It's a lot thinner. It's not as thick as this. And they're both transparent. It was brand new. So no, this is not a scam. My opinion is Stark's sanding disc is the winner for me. And I will be switching over to their disc. So congrats, Ken. You did very good on this.